The Milky Way is our home galaxy, a vast rotating collection of stars, gas, dust, dark matter, and planetary systems, including our own solar system. When you look up at the night sky and see that hazy band of light stretching across, you're looking into the heart of it. But what's truly mind-blowing is just how big, complex, and ancient the Milky Way really is. Let's start with size. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, meaning it has a central bar-shaped core made mostly of older stars, with massive arms of stars spiraling outward from it. It spans about 100,000 to 120,000 light-years across. That's the distance light travels in over 100,000 years, moving at 186,000 miles per second. To cross the galaxy in a spacecraft moving at the speed of NASA's fastest probe, Voyager 1, which travels at roughly 17 kilometers per second, it would take over 2 billion years to make the trip from one end to the other. At its center lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star, with a mass over 4 million times that of our Sun. It's completely invisible, but we know it's there because of how it affects the stars orbiting near it, some of which whip around it at incredible speeds. The Milky Way contains an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. Why such a huge range? Because it's difficult to count stars when so many are obscured by interstellar dust or simply too faint to detect with current technology. And around those stars, astronomers now believe there could be as many as 300 billion planets, or possibly more. That includes gas giants, icy worlds, rocky Earth-like planets, and all kinds of strange and exotic combinations in between. Of particular interest are the habitable zone planets, those that orbit their stars at just the right distance for liquid water to exist. Some estimates suggest there could be as many as 6 billion Earth-like planets in the Milky Way. That means our galaxy alone could hold countless opportunities for life to evolve. The Sun and our entire solar system is not at the center of the Milky Way. We're located in a region called the Orion Arm, a minor spiral arm, about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. And we're not standing still. The entire solar system is orbiting the galaxy at a speed of about 828,000 kilometers per hour, taking around 225 to 250 million years to complete one full orbit. This journey is called a galactic year. The last time Earth was in this part of its orbit, dinosaurs were just beginning to appear. The Milky Way isn't alone in the universe, of course. It's part of a small cluster of galaxies called the Local Group, which includes about 50 other galaxies, most of them small and faint. The nearest large galaxy to us is Andromeda, and in around 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda are expected to collide and merge, forming a new, larger galaxy. But don't worry, space between stars is so vast that most stars won't crash into each other. It'll be more of a cosmic blend than a violent snush. And here's something even stranger. The Milky Way is full of dark matter, a mysterious, invisible substance that doesn't emit light or energy. We can't see it directly, but its gravity holds the galaxy together and keeps stars moving in ways that regular matter alone can't explain. In fact, scientists estimate that dark matter makes up around 85% of the total mass of the Milky Way. There are also globular clusters, spherical groups of ancient stars orbiting the galactic core, some of which are over 12 billion years old, almost as old as the universe itself. And scattered throughout the Milky Way are vast nebulae, where new stars are born, and remnants of supernovae, exploded stars that have scattered heavy elements into space. So when you gaze at the Milky Way in the sky, you're not just looking at stars. You're looking at billions of worlds, ancient stellar cities, black holes, dark matter, and perhaps even the ingredients of life itself, stretching across a structure so vast that our entire history fits into a blink of its galactic eye. A Milky Way is more than just our address in the cosmos. It's a living, moving, evolving system full of mystery and wonder. And while we may only inhabit a tiny part of it, our understanding of it is growing every day.